Hi there, this is a quick Unified Service Desk video to demonstrate how the screen pop works for nice inContact uh, call center as a service. Um, let me describe it real quickly and then I'll go through and show it to you. So this gray area here, I'm setting to unavailable. This is the call center control panel. And you can see at the bottom, we'll have, we also call this uMAX. We have these different indicators that show which channel um, you have inbound calls coming in on. I'll see when I dial in, this will go to 1. When it does, I'm going to go set myself available. And as soon as I do that, the system is programmed to look for the phone number in Dynamic CRM. Once it finds the match, it's going to bring it back, pop the associated record, and then go from there. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to use my Skype for Business client to call in on our IVR. You can hear it dialing now.
Thank you for calling Customer Dynamics.
I'm going to go ahead and
To
press
reach our
1.
technical support department,
You can see that there's one call in queue. And from here, I'm going to put my Skype client off to the side. I'm going to set myself available. And it's going to connect my agent now.
Now connected.
Okay,
Okay,
now
so now
I'm connected. Let
I'm
me
connected.
mute the line so I don't get feedback. I was getting some feedback there from that line. USD can be programmed to pop up some messages. In this particular case, I've just set it up to ask the client for an upgrade. Once they're verified, I'm going to go ahead and click no. Other important parts of Unified Service Desk is that you'll see I have a summary section at the top here. We've coded that the client is a VIP client and some other information. I have a script here that talks about what you want the agent to say to provide some guidance, along with some interactive prompts here to verify things like phone number and address. Notice that when I click on verify or email address, it will actually just toggle the screen and set the focus into the appropriate place inside of Dynamics. Inside the call control panel, you can see I have all the standard call control features like hold and mute. I can transfer. If I had some team members logged on, I could transfer right to them, or I could key in a phone number right at the top here. I'm going to go ahead and hang up, and then the system will ask, in this case, the disposition is set to be required, and I'm going to just write a note that says updated the account. Oops, sorry, typo. Updated the, keep fat fingering, updated the account. Save and close that. And then once I've done that, you can see that immediately I get the call log directly into Dynamics. If I open that call up, you'll see that I have kind of a rich call log of all the things that just happened, the description that I created, who the call came in from, what the ANI and the DNIS was, the skill that it was routed to, and so forth, the duration. I'm going to go ahead and close this. One other thing that this does behind the scenes, I'm going to go ahead and set all of these back to neutral here. Behind the scenes, it's using the Dynamics multi-entity search. And so the question comes up is, well, what happens if there isn't an exact match, but a couple of other things could happen. One is there could be no match in the system, or let's see, if the phone number came in a really strange phone number, something like that, you'd get a result that looked like this. In that case, the agent would ask the customer for additional information, possibly their name, the company name, something like that, And from there, they would be able to, sort down to one particular contact. The similar thing happens if you get a multi-entity search or multi-search match like this, same type of thing. You would get multiple results on the screen. You would need to zero down on who it was that was calling as the agent by providing some additional searching or just asking, the caller for more details, and then you'd be able to get right to it. So like in this case, I could just, and then once I find who I'm looking for, I can simply click on their name, and then that starts the session and kind of hooks everything together. Anyways, this was a quick demonstration of Screen Pop with Unified Service Desk and inContact.